something missing. Filling my cup with some love in the kitchen.